So today I'm super excited because I've had so many people from YouTube and actually from my open houses that want to know about all the amenities here in Rivertown. Now the River Lodge is brand new, a year old. And by the way, the reason Rivertown is so spectacular is we have zip lines, we have a lazy river, we have a splash park, we have a huge kayak launch and paddleboard launch that we're watching it as it fills up. And it's located right behind the brand new school. So the brand new school is from kindergarten to 8th grade, and we have the #1 school district here in all of Florida. And by the way, I am Gail DeMarco. I'm a local realtor here in St. Johns County. I help people all day long, just like you, that are relocating or thinking of relocating, anywhere from South Florida to from New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Maryland, California, Kentucky, South Carolina, you name it, they're all coming here because we have the #1 school district here in all of Florida. So the River Lodge is absolutely amazing. So let's go take a look and find out when my grandkids come here, this is where they want to go, even though I have a pool. They want to come here to the River Lodge. Let's go take a look. Okay, so now I'm going to take you inside the brand new gym. It's almost 8,000 square feet. You can find me here about 4 times a week at 6:30 a.m. I don't look this good, but I'll be here. Let's look. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the main area. So here's the cool thing I love about our amenities. It's not like you've got the National Guard at the front desk. They're here to greet you. If you have any questions or you just wanna check it out, they'll actually let you in. It's not like when you go to Nocatee or you go to Beach Walk and it's like, you can't get in. So we're gonna go in, everybody's super friendly. It is midweek, so it's gonna be real easy to navigate you around. We're gonna go take a look at the splash park. We're gonna look at the lazy river. We're going to look at the playground. We're going to look at the zip line. Let's go. So there's so many different places you could just kind of hang out. Like we were here the other night. They have a really cool fireplace. It's starting to get a little bit cool at night. It's October, which I love. Get to wear different clothing besides shorts. So one of the places you can always find me when my 6 grandkids are here is I like to hang out under there. There's always shade. So I'll grab a lounge chair, go over there. They're over here playing. Then they usually jump over the fence and they go over to the park. But let's take a look at these other shaded areas. And that's what we need here in Florida, right? Because the sun is strong. When I tell you it's even stronger than California, I don't know how, but it is. So we're always looking for places to feel comfortable, we get enjoy the water, but protect our skin. Let's take a look. This is one of my favorite places. I'll bring a book here, or all right, I'm lying. It's a Kindle, or lately it's Audible. I love Audible, and I'll just kind of sit here and chill out. They always play good music, and if you want them to turn it down, they will, but I like it loud. So you got your bathrooms here, you got your turf. It's gorgeous. How can you go wrong at $55 a year? That's what we pay, $55 a year. So usually the splash park is splashing, but since there's no kids here, there's no splash. Here is a great area. You can bring food here. So that's the other cool thing. You could bring food. I don't know if you could bring booze, but I bring booze. Or just a White Claw or something refreshing or a club soda. And you can hang out here. There's umbrellas. Go ahead and grab a tube and go down the lazy river. Absolutely stunning. And if you want to play some beach volleyball, let's go. Now I'm going to have you take a look at the main pool area. And keep in mind, this is a family pool ground. So let's go take a look, and then I'm going to take you over to the kayak launch and the zip line. Let's go. This absolutely looks like a resort area. I mean, I don't know any other amenity places where you wouldn't be paying $500, $700 a month, $53 a year to have access for all 3 main amenity centers here in Rivertown. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Let's go. So you got a great overall look at this place, but now I'm going to show you the best part. We're going to head on over to the zip line. We're going to show you the park the kids go crazy at and our amazing new kayak launch. Let's go. This is the kayak launch and paddleboard launch. I've been into paddleboarding for years, and I'm super excited about this place. So as soon as it fills up, because this is less than a year old, they're going to be putting out a nice ramp out here, and then over here to the left, you can store your paddleboard, you can store your kayak, and just go for a great paddle. This wraps all the way around. And the cool thing is they also have walking trails all the way around this. So I'm super excited to get out there and hit the water, and you can too. And last but not least, the kids area. This is where you're going to let the kids run off their energy. They can hit the zip line, they can hit the park. Come on, let's take a look. Because you stuck around, I want to share with you my latest promo. It's called the Fly, Drive, and Buy program. So if you decide that I'm the gal for you to help you relocate here to St. John's, Florida, no matter where you buy, I will give you up to $2,500 credit in any travel expenses, whether it's airplane tickets, hotel, driving, gas, meals, and alcohol. So whatever you want to do to use that $2,500 credit, just reach out to me, because I help people all day long just like you. I would love to help you make that transition. Just explore. Even if you're not ready to buy now, if you want to come take a look at the information, reach out to me, 904-640-8000.